I mentioned a lot of our people have been here 20, 25, 30 years. A lot of those people are service techs. They are experts at knowing how to service this equipment and taking care of our customers. I would put it to you this way. Our goal is to wow our customer in every interaction we have with them. We want to wow our customer.
I would just add that there's a lot of differences between our equipment and what else you can buy on the market. They're really just the quality of the components, the warranty, and the warranty doesn't mean anything if you don't have good quality components. The warranty and the components don't mean anything if you don't have a company backing you up. And it's really refreshing for a lot of these customers to call us and 10 years later, 15, 20 years later, and not only are we still around, but their equipment is still warranted. And probably the biggest thing that I think separates us is we care. And what I mean by that is, you know, we were a couple farm kids from Illinois. We were raised that you care about your customers. And so our philosophy was always, we're going to try to treat customers, every single customer, not a few of them, not some of them, but the same way that we would want to be treated, or the same way we would want our parents to be treated if they were customers. And we do that.